Hey guys, I have a pretty short riding video for you today. I was kind of on vacation this past weekend. We went up to my family's cabin in Houghton Lake again. We did some kayaking and whatnot, and then took the kids over to Great Wolf Lodge in Traverse City. Had a good time. I was able to sneak away for a few hours with my father-in-law and brother-in-law. My father-in-law has a Polaris Ranger, and my brother-in-law has the Kawasaki KRX. We were able to get some pretty cool trail riding in. We also did some hill climbs at that hill that we found in the last video. We actually met some guys. One had a X3 and the other one had a 4-seat Honda Talon, and they were with a large group of people as well. They were jumping pretty good on the hills. We also did a YXZ versus Ranger versus KRX drag race, and then we did a YXZ versus KRX roll race. Kind of just for fun. The KRX is governed to about 68 miles per hour stock, so we knew that wasn't going to win. The YXZ stock does about 88 mile per hour, but mine has the ECU reflash and exhaust, so I've had mine up to about 96 when all the conditions are perfect on the road, everything, but I can do around 90 on the trails, on dirt. It's a little sketchy, but so I figured the YXZ was going to win, but the KRX actually did pretty good, so check it out. we knew the race wasn't going to be that close, but actually when we take off in the YXZ and KRX, they're pretty evenly matched from the beginning, but once that KRX hits that 68 mile per hour barrier, the YXZ just flies past it. So I'm hoping we can get maybe a ECU tune or something for the KRX. I don't really know what's out there. I know his clutch has had some issues with how it wears. It feels like it's shifting. I don't know. So we're gonna have more KRX videos on the channel as well as my YXZ content. Might get a little with my father-in-law's Ranger too, I don't know. But I hope you liked this video. If you did, subscribe. I got a lot of pretty cool content, review videos, riding videos, maintenance stuff on the way. So thanks for watching. Bye.